I'm Megan Edwards for Investment Pitch Media. Voyageur Pharmaceuticals announced that the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals has upheld a prior ruling that concluded radiographic contrast agent barium sulfate qualifies as a device rather than a drug. This ruling has a significant impact on Voyageur's planned product rollout into the United States, with management estimating significant cost savings and reduced timelines to bring Voyageur's products into the U.S. markets. As a result of this ruling, the timelines to finalize and gain approval of each device varies depending on the device, but are expected to be significantly shorter than a drug registration, with the filing fees estimated to be reduced from $196,868 to $12,432 per product certification. Until the FDA formulates the rules and regulations for filing and approvals of barium as a device, Voyageur will be working closely with the FDA Center for Devices and Radiological Health to secure approval of Voyageur's barium contrast media product line under a medical device pathway. For those of you new to the company, contrast materials, which may be taken orally or rectally, are used to improve pictures of the inside of the body, helping to distinguish or contrast selected areas of the body from surrounding tissue, allowing the radiologist to distinguish normal from abnormal conditions. The company recently received Health Canada approval for 3 of its drugs, with 2 more in the offing. These approved drugs are used for procedures such as MRIs, CT scans, and X-rays. Voyageur has engaged a world-class group of consultants through Dash Consulting LLC, a consortium of barium and iodine radiographic contrast media experts, to further accelerate the product rollout of its barium radiographic contrast products. Dash has expertise in barium contrast manufacturing, marketing of contrast media and related devices, and accessories used during fluoroscopy, CT imaging, and endoscopy procedures. Voyageur, by working with Dash, has commenced work on preparing for product applications in markets globally, including the U.S., United Kingdom, South America, and Southeast Asia. Brent Willis, President and CEO of Voyageur, has joined us today to discuss this news. Welcome, Brent.
Thank you, Megan. We're very pleased with today's news. It's very, very significant for Voyageur. It allows us to advance our projects quicker time frame to penetrate the U.S. markets. The cost reduction is significant, allowing us to reduce our budgets to move our products to market and get them registered under the FDA device rules. We will be working with the FDA on the device ruling to figure out exactly where they're going to place our products, and we're going to start that in the near future. The significance of this is, when we look at where we are at as a pharmaceutical company, what phase of development, our full integration plan from the earth to the bottle, where we have control of our ingredients that we can extract ourselves and bring to market, allows us to have the very low cost ingredients in this market, allows us to be very competitive. And moving forward, I think we're at a phase where if you compared our pharmaceutical company to anyone else out there from a market cap standpoint, I think investors could see some real value here based on where we're at. As we start thinking about moving forward here, getting our products to market, Health Canada approvals are in place, and we have so much interest from around the world looking at us right now, from people who are looking to buy our products. It's important to understand that there's a monopoly in the barium sulfate contrast business. So there's a lot of people looking forward to a new competitor to come onto the street and start offering lower prices and quality products. The other major aspect of the news today was the team that's joined us from Dash. And Dash is a group of world-leading experts in the radiographic contrast business. These are people that develop the original products that are in the market today. They have all the expertise from formulating and clinical testing, marketing and sales internationally. It has just been a fantastic month for us in Voyageur. Everything's come together. We now have all the pieces in place to roll out our product lines and get them to market globally. So we're very excited. Everything is just, this device ruling is an amazing, fantastic development for our company. The other major aspect of the device ruling is in the radiographic contrast market, there's been huge advances on the technology with the scanning equipment, and the radiographic contrast has been lagging far behind on development to meet the needs of the new technology. We are looking at rolling out new products that are going to meet the needs of the market with new products, and this device ruling now allows us to do that in a much more expedited fashion, and we're pretty excited about that.
Voyageur is unique as it is sourcing its own main ingredients from its own mineral deposits. The company owns a 100% interest in 3 barium sulfate projects in British Columbia, including 2 properties suitable in grade for the industrial barite marketplace, as well as significant interest in a high-grade iodine, lithium, and bromine brine project located in Utah, USA. The shares are currently trading at 17.5 cents. For more information, please visit VoyageurPharmaceuticals.ca, contact Brent Willis, President and CEO, by email at brent@vpharma.ca, or Ron Love, CFO, at 403-818-6086, or by email at ronl@vpharma.ca. I'm Megan Edwards for Investment Pitch Media.